my subscribers and fellow farmers around the globe. We have our plantain farm. We are still putting some suckers, but right here we want to incorporate this farming with maize farming as well. So we are planting it. I've already reducked the ground. You understand? So we are planting this corn seedling. We have so many of them, so we are using this bed here, this particular heaps here, to put it. So let's go. Stick with me as we plant this particular corn inside this our plantain farm. Now the reasons why we are trying to incorporate it is, this one is basically a yearly stuff, while this one takes some months. So while this one is taking a year or months and a year, 9 to 12 months, we are already harvesting this one. That is the good part of incorporating your plantain and your corn or your maize farming. So let's go, guys. I am using a normal standard spacing for this corn. So this is my measurement. So we go. I'm putting one seed per hole. One seed per hole. One seed per hole, guys. So I need it to be in order. One seed per hole. Let's go. One seed per hole, that's what we are doing here. And it takes 4 days or less for your corn to start sprouting. 4 days or 5 days, as the case may be, for it to start sprouting up. So stick with me to the very end, as you might learn something from what we are doing. What you have to do for us is, if this is the first time you're seeing our channel, give us a thumbs up to this video and also subscribe. Don't play. Subscribe to this. right here we have been able to plant in this particular heap which we have just made. We till the heap to plant some of these corn seedlings. So I'll bring you guys the full video on how. Now if you know how many days it will take for this to start sprouting, it's in the comment section. But if you don't know, I'll still come up with the date and another video to tell you when exactly the days it will take for this your maize seedlings to start sprouting. So this is the first one. We'll be having up to all this farm. We are going to incorporate them inside this farming. Don't play. Please give us a thumbs up, give us a share, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye.